This is the A7 chord. Hey guys, Tom Fontana here from TheGuitarLesson.com, and today we'll be learning the A7 chord. Now to form this chord, you need to place your second finger on the second fret of the D string. Your ring finger goes onto the second fret of the B string, so there's nothing holding down the G string right here, and you'll be plucking strings 1 through 5. So just like with the A major from string A. You could also swap these two fingers with these two fingers if you want. Both of these are totally okay ways to play the chord. And whenever you learn a chord, you want to make sure that each string rings out clearly. So pluck them slow, and if you hear any fret buzz or dead notes, just make sure your fingers are arched, so they're not laying down, they're arched. You're as close to the metal fret as possible, so you're not back here, you're up here all the way as close to the metal fret, and your fingers are not muting any adjacent strings like that. Now let's use the chord on, chord off technique to learn this chord shape. So we'll just form the chord, take off our fingers, wiggle them a bit, put it back on, take off, wiggle. So this helps in building the muscle memory of your hands. Now let's make some music with the A7 by playing it in a chord progression. And we're in the key of A, of course, so our 1 chord will be the A7. Our 4 chord will be the D7. And our 5 chord will be the E7. And our strumming pattern will be the classic down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how you play the A7 chord.